Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to use colors in Turtle graphics using Python. We'll go step by step and cover pen color, fill color, and background color. Let's get started. Step 1. Pen color. Turtle draws by moving and leaving a trail behind. That trail is called the pen. We can change the color of the pen using this line, me.pencolor, blue. In our first example, we make the turtle draw a blue square. We use a loop that repeats 4 times. Each time, the turtle moves forward and turns left. This creates the 4 sides of the square. The result is a square with blue lines. Step 2. Fill color. Now let's add some fill color to the shape. We tell the turtle what color to fill using me.fillcolor, yellow. And to apply the fill color, we use 2 commands: begin fill, end fill. Everything the turtle draws between these 2 lines will be filled. So now, the turtle draws a square with a blue outline and a yellow inside. Step 3. Background color. Finally, we can set the background color of the canvas. The canvas is the space where the turtle draws. We use this line to change it. screen.bgcolor, light blue. Now we have a complete drawing with a light blue background, a dark blue outline, and a light yellow fill. It looks much better and more colorful. Quick review. Use pen color. To change the pen or line color, use fill color and the begin fill and end fill methods to fill shapes. Use bgcolor to set the background color. You can try different colors like red, green, pink, orange, or even use RGB values. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use colors in Turtle graphics. Try changing the shapes and colors to make your own creative art with Python. Happy coding!